guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Enogi, where we may over. Nina one more. Me, una not they know what to be hoa. What about my hoa? Let me tell you guys. Enogi, we oh, Abi. Yeah, when you have to do out of your time and need you yet. You come out training my video. Then we tell you a bona give me a okay, you a bet. You do it. Because you a river, or my joe. I had. Number one, I'm very ten woman over. Elogi. Number one, you want more in my over. Number two, you may yell in my over. Number three, you ain't go say it. My over. Number four, you want winning. My over. My bag, who can say Kenny J? A daddy Enogi. Who can say Kenny J? A daddy. Who bag, who can I live? None make an meet up like you are. Since we were Ototi, we can arrive, we were high river. Since we were working white breaking with Jenny, gave any we can arrange, we are river. Yeah, I don't beg you to respect me. I don't deserve it. I don't need your respect. Elogi. I don't need kaka. You the find saga where you will take it. You can't say, now my body. You the find food where you want chop. Say if you can't saga me, you go wala dia. You have you. Any ame. We are saga me no gi. We me who be me ame we kai. Who when you take me, you take back on ya. It be dia we ya. When I be me. When we are to be me, in me, I have been with me. Even with your wow, not faking one sage. Azeni, look, man, I read my with that. We were ever him carry. Azeni waiting me in here. Iman Ariazeni Mawe, we were my BNC. Baby. See, no get out with the shame of myself. My mother not the rent too. My mother they in your house, that lands, have the shame. My mother children in all where have the shame. My mother's children some full abroad, my born one like have the shame. What do you mean one shame for now? You get what you say? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed? You get very rent. Well, you have done it to go mumea. You have cookie yemea. You know, I want the shame. Where are we? Oh, your police, well, you might get you. You not go to a quality area. But me, well, shame. Why me go shame me? Look, where are not the shame? If I never get no shame, me, I must. When you were either, I don't know that to you know to the TV to be a bag. When you're there, looking, if we to a move with baby, or money, maybe I'll be given. You know, you go me. Yeah, well, here to a move with an and can not be going to the when me I went going there. How would you shift? When we are going to with my money, Lydian name, or don't be a die, you can't with that boy. When me are with me. You know, why you was to make a shame? Why? Why you want my shame? share with Nasaga me. Who we are those saga me? Because last time I checked, where people they read person enemy. Why you read person enemy now? Where be say the person me I don't settle for indoor. You can't inherit her for live video. I mean a precious man say because I know what precious man can do. Maybe saying you. Me I don't know. Alright? I'm not gonna feel guarantee na say na she do 100% too. Now because say you go fight for her now because say you go fight for her, that's why I say he not send you. Somebody like me now, I know they fight. You don't see where I on live video say and they fight for Monica. Anybody like Monica, he do me something that make me the bitter. He insult my children, which if somebody insult your children, you know they tolerate. So question, where they fight Lolika today, insult my children and my mom. You there, yeah? You dey hear me? Now everybody dey fight for. Go. You don't edit the enemy up and down. Tomorrow now say, hey, I'm sorry. After you do, well, me and do me sorry. Wait a minute, it's already married, eh? Then you won't tell me now. He went see what the precious man do me where the vest. Then you won't tell me where. He went for your man, just share video na ya be me. David I won't tell me. In no way, no, who pay you to do this? The one of the way you were wa. No way to pay me, the way you were wa. The one always shopping your wala. Every crab at us, secret bush. The one of the way you were wa when you saga no gi. Eguate, egute no gi. No yaji me one, no yaji me one. Egute, Adiagoria, Egute, Amudiagoria, Egute, Wante. You know, you move way, that's what you mean. Yes, if you donate for person, Umaje be Ohomano, no, you go, who be. My people, if you donate a person, if they sit down, I give you money, I give you money, I give you money, I give you money. Who will take in the bell of it? Yeah. Because you go to Maso Tepo, where you know, I give you money, I give you money, money. You call it still na 1 million. Yeah. If people they talk say, I give you money, I know say nothing too small anyway. But you appreciate them. Yeah? Thank God say they see money they exchange to each other. He give precious when precious, I'll give you back. But yo, wait, I see you one of your accounts in their family, all the old family accounts. One of your Latina, so I go away others one. When I know for one and way will be social media. Which for one other documents. It be malaja. Who are they assets? It be malaja. Who are they? You dabby, or my other no. Who are going to way? It be one of the warrior. Who okay, everywhere, Sagame, even with a dark and what do Latin. Eh? You wait, be man, Loki, even with heavy Germany, what do Latin? Be me away. Oh, however, Sagame. Because my man, Messaga, well. He can't saga because it's sagging me and married. We were very Jama first lady. If you panic, I'm not of everybody no saga. Oh, me show you answer me. You know, would you who about with comedy? In the bills. Oh, the big who about with comedy? Yeah. You got Bunbury, Jack. May I want to yak book? Maybe I want to yak book. Even with my no row be only a time away, or woman, for you to come and insult me when I'm not near you for one day. Anyway, not better way. It don't come on making a reason. It's like who you appear with because if I look at your video when people they share now, all you about monomasuki beer. You know, when I remember, it looked like best where they born for 7 months. No one. You know, get sense. You know, get when. Because my master can it might be, it may be a new way. When I do agree me. Who inherit people enemy. Oh, well, we Jelania. Even if I will do it to time, you know, because if I look at your head, will be like Capero do Mago. That time when you did Italy, when I look that video, where you are that girl, they do marriage, you're not supposed to keep here. When I was to be already your foot, or for the Capero rule, no? Like your eBay, like the Omona, move Yavit. The Omona, the Malawi, the whole, oh, in your another pure. Mudiafo Enoki Isha women when they do upo na that be mama. Isha women when farm na be ye. Na the other city in Iro renti Enoki renti because when you not say rent. Enene bukon yakara, enene moho yegbe, enene ti owo tocha. Ja, nenere, enoke. Enene enoke yewe. Yage nene, iye 3 kwa. Iye rent, enoke. Iye nene rent to what for oje. Oh, what for oje. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? Near what the fairy. Then you marriage. Oh, what the fairy? And I am his chair. He said, what the fuck? I got more. More not coming at the phone at the usual. Because I want, if I vex for enough, they take your time. Oh. Who be this now? Wait, your voice will come outside. I'm not getting, I'm not saying they go walk. Hello? Wait it. What? Okay, bye. I don't hear. Enoki. Where and then you book is good for her birthday. Guoso. Where you so? You so che. When you so che. Enoki where no Arobi Joma. Arobi to and when was true. Why you call the quarrel with Jama First Lady then? Why you call the quarrel with Kevin? Say, because you are insulting somebody's mother. You don't insult person, mama. When you insult my mother, guitar. No, now they bring on mama the insults. You see your life now. Who were you Bruce for them? I don't wear Miosiba no yaro vie. Oko not total word of Otafoeno or total word of Kokomo. O ma when ye ekpa word of here no where you work here make do balwedo oh yeah balwedo ade do supply balweni ade do trust balweni enu di omo no koko yo word of na kokivie o fe que no fio boni nene nyo bono o je ije no man le ye wodore ije no mu dia wodo ije no mu dia ya train vie ije no gbogbo no ya live ayo mo tebu ije no bi nene ije wekin nene do yo kwesi ukin oko no man le ye wodore do yo re agwale omo no ale ahia we bore di gbola ya inyo wekin inyo no ge bati ovivi ije sunu ke no ge take your time. Last time I checked, you will constantly let people they insult your mother. Why now? It's not good for your head. Who went on the road? Where Belenia, Imale, Imale, who went winner? You not the work. So come and beat me. Because if you not fight, you not go chop. If you not cause person when senior you not go chop. You not go eat. You must to insult somebody. Abi, no give you even politics, they not give you. Where campaign? Era campaign they go where campaign ali you go kiri mwe. Uke do asaga. Where politics ni amu go nwe woto. Abi where you go ni anyway. You go na ya campaign. Anyway, where we ya dey we adi you say there. Go ahead here. We say ya dey away why you. Ya pass no pare. Listen la fele hun. We pressure make it ama we no se go listen we are listen for la fe un ba ye hin son we the clap ko lo. I love for one fe be ya fe clap we. Ya tetia. Why you will tell me thank you? Is it your mother? I fight for your mama. Why you will tell me thank you? Now you to be the judge. Okay, you can't tell me thank you. Say at the big drama first with Dabi. Now you will tell me what to talk. Yeah. Oh now one day I join on the fight. I can't do that. President May do wrong. I give away for wrong. It don't matter. Me I settle for his ass. Yeah. Me I settle for his ass. You hear me so? I still tell her what he do when me no like. Precious man do me something. When he call me, I tell her, say, that thing what you do, is it good? You okay? The man say, okay, for example, yeah, you say you don't see the picture. Say you even call him, me I not watch. I say, no, I know they watch. When they hear me, my people. He say the person never put the picture. When he start to the watch, and I say, okay. Since now she called, I say, okay, forget. When they hear me, no forget case like that. He still beg me, I tell her, say, he don't do no verse. Mo could you leave case like that. Now they hear me so. As he beg me, I tell her, say, okay, why we robot work as your mother? You understand? He can say, yeah. We go. This one now where you go hide under I no give. We share you worry in India. We share you worry in me. We share you worry in me. Omiori not bury you there. Me sure you worry in me. Because I want me where I am now. Because my junior sister will never do that to you, a precious meko. Because omone sam bien no see. Me ma sure. Ole no ka any record ni. O ayo money sam bien no see. O ma feke no kwa me because me team aviva. O money me beer. Precious me 3 years of power team. You know, she said that they get plan, that they get where they pass enter person body. And no get they can work in the land, we why we video we making them live, huh? I say now we video they no get we want live, huh? And no get, who not get document they walk. Go and look for some job and do in Germany, so that your reputation that they give for your hand can rise. We may anywhere in register a gym. Instead of you to go and look for small, go to school. So that your name, when they carry go police station, everybody report you for police station. So that you can clean half. So that you go clean half and no if like na person will get passport, come marry you, they will never give you document. Do you know that? Do you know that? They will never give you because you have continued nuisance for all like the president. When you go police station, report you. You think police fool? When I say police, they fool for nobody. Good evening, Gary. You think police is stupid? All your reports in station, No matter how lawyer will carry your case anywhere. Because you remember how every day now you celebrate document where if you bill like that no expire. You do celebrate you why you should be. And I give me pay. You know you are no me pay. Okpaika! I do it. You know no me pay. No me pay. You know. Even walk out Yahweh every day. You know. Good evening, Rose, my darling. You may know whether they precious milk or you were. Precious milk. Me after we settle, walk in again, or you say your junior star need to aqua man. Remain may know what. Precious milk, after I settle for, back over. Yes, you walk in no giddy, only when it do aqua man. You don't read people enemy. You are inheriting it. Can you where go to school in Germany. Go to school and go and learn work in Germany. Well, if you decide school, you learn work. If not baby, go and learn. Maybe life with you. Do you sit down, make you reason why they don't give you document? Which are the reason? I go sit down with the reason your matter. Why they don't give this boy man? Why the Lord they show me everything? Why they don't give now the review to you so? Go to school, go and learn work. So that they can give you. So that you clean your name. More you they continue nuisance. More your paper they delay. You get me? Hey, Okpaika, I do it. You do. Precious life, though. Now your sister be this. I don't know. You know, say nothing when you know if you do. You go record person, you go call the player. Precious life, give me no what when like listen carefully. Whether not your sister, whether not your sister. I don't know why. If you not tell person something for live video, or one way you don't tie with it, or yeah, go walk away do a fear. By fear, bid me, or I tell them I do a fear. If you
let's record that word. Oh my God.
You see what he do? When they insult Rita, he can't cut her come out. When the person they insult Rita, he no get out to fear. He no get take your time now. We are go with you. We are go zoo with you. Leave me away. I go more you gay. Now her sister, I never sure. I never sure. Hey. I dey call Precious Meg. I won't ask him whether my sister be that way they insult me. You dey hear me? Because me no know. Now you know his sister voice. Good evening, Onegbe. Obere. When me video le no ge wu.
Me video le yo play.
No na akwa me. O le bi omi we. How old is men? Okay, if I not one, let's if I go on.
You understand?
Okay.
You know, now Weytin dey come in like this morning. I didn't call me. I did road, I did start Uber. I was on the way at this early morning, Mama, go ahead. I did go work. I get shift today. So before I come down for Uber, I come waka, me I come the waka. Then say because if they call me, that's say I see your missed call. No first is them say I never fit call you because they think say maybe since then when they fight for me, maybe they making the things I never fit call. Because maybe people from Facebook though, they even they think say more call they not get. They don't say sometimes they not get. You know they even they fit talk because I always dey busy. Why can't they say no? Because they won't call me. Maybe they call me, they talk to me. Say my sister call her. I said my sister. Cause you wish my sister. I can't say my sister where they tell me yet. I said me want to work now. I said because I want to work. So now maybe he wants to maybe just go church again, you know, as the one with first PT happen. So because I close for work, I will call her. They say because if you want me to talk to me, you want to live video later. Like me can I say my dear brother, me as you see, I come down for video call. Now as you see, I'm saying I front of work now, just like you can't even see her. As I this as I want to work, you see in the front of my work I did. So then you can say, okay, Mama, no wahala. And so me come to leave her. So when we come close for work, when I take break, I come feel enter live video. Enter check you go, I don't see any video. I never enter. When I come close, I come enter live video. I come they see the video on the clear. I say my sister too much for you for inside the video, yeah, because the thing they pay now my sister, my dear sister, because the insults and the bullying I don't receive.
Okay, wait. Precious Michael, the insult and the bully where you don't receive. Now me bully you.
No.
Okay, why your sister with the who gives you know why they ask you? You know why every time I know where you know why they ask you? Because that your sister want consign me consign up. Jama first lady on web but me na ahon. Me na ahon web but I cannot just say because I defend for you, make I defend you 100%. Not be the video when me they do when people say man not defend you. When they come bring where you go share where somebody they insult me say mama you they defend Precious Men. See what the Precious Men do me. I'm not telling you that the way you call me.
You tell that day that way you talk. I mean I don't understand that. I say maybe you say that the time when you do that video, person come the right foot.
No, nobody right. The RCB say me they defend you for here. 9 people call they call them Jama first lady. Why you go swear for you? Me I call the talk say Precious Men you bitch and you dey blah 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 blah. 9 people come send me that video where you do say see where you they cost me when you share.
Mama, the way it's right up to you, I beg my dear sister. That's woman young world. You know, say when you take talk true now as a mother because of her, don't very condemn. You know, say it don't insult your enemy. When I don't need that German lady.
Or you met them when they were because of you. Or always say German first lady, German last lady. No, who are not be asked. Why your sister will insult me? Okay, when I visit me now, see where Mudiafo, Kyle. Okay, any everyone's okay. I'm from money here. Oh yeah, the metamawe. Every time I call you. When I get more name for me, me put up a web. They took Balaman in the what you made, me will herito. We understand. no where yaki na gui. Me say we live video akwa wesapa.
I see. Very yet to agree. I understand.
No, since ni ba na gui. We say me live video to ati. Okay. Where yaki gui. Ben okay na do akwa me yen ya we who di yaki. Oria na na tune. Ala na bebe. Boy na do akwa me. Precious Maggie, hello, give up me. About the metal, any video, the any gag, give me a gun aqua, metal, one son of the waivers. Where it may not get where he that the way, why you not telling Loki say, me and Mama B don't do we don't settle our matter for his house. You tell Loki.
No, not to, I'm not telling Loki because not today, I don't get to that video. No, I'm not telling Loki. Don't fair to listen. Loki don't fair to one. I know man, there's 3 record I can't give me. I know man. I said, I said, oh, how are you? Oh, my butter. Okay, don't worry, baby. Ni men are where I've been Meloche. Be Meloche. My sister, maybe I present a note now. I'm going to make a note talk to you. Maybe now because of that video where you first to that dating insult me. No. Or where a note they say, Ingo they come cross me now every day. Say, me they join the yaki, they beat you. No, but I'll call her, me no cost you. Why go cost you? No, because I didn't like a later one to know that person won't even live your life now one day doing you. And I was saying that big bag and when pull it just for everywhere. Who they feed each other? Who be so anybody that's clear? I will not feed each other on again, precious neck. Where earlier the better of this case. They know the way they insult me so because me know earlier the better of this case. Not where Mudiafo. Earlier the better of this case. Be me way, me call we rape is family minare. Well, yes or no? I don't understand. That first time when Saga won't start, be me way. What I tell you? And I will leave just make you rest. Yes or no? Yeah, I don't really, remember those ones. You don't remember now. You don't remember. Precious Meg.
Precious Meg, you might make it defend the bay. Oh, Precious Meg, it's time nowhere. It's that who were no dead dog bay. No, you call your man. Where?
I was so tired. I said, "There's that bed." Before I come there for just now, I come go marinate chicken and the salad for these children. They didn't eat because they didn't teach school with me. So I get off tomorrow. Yeah, I will even call it not this night now. I will even call her. If I need drop now, I'll call her.
Okpaika Matama Wewe. Hey, after I restart to the hell all these people. Was it not you she was talking to? Why do you do whatever?
Precious Meg, let me tell you. You have the award, yeah?
Tina Tango. You on my live stream. You don't need person or not.
You know how many people don't.
Tina Tango, were you on my live stream earlier in the day? Where I said they don't Precious Meg they don't be no Gyokoyame. I'm sure she's not even aware, or she wasn't even aware that Okpaika was live streaming her. You see? Okpaika is asking her, since you and actual Arizi should start, have I ever taken side? Have I ever talked to you? It said Precious Meg that did the video, I think on which day? The day I was at home, full day. Was it on Thursday? Either Wednesday or Thursday. I think it was on Wednesday. Was it Wednesday, Thursday? Either Wednesday or Thursday, one of those 2 days. I can't remember. Where Precious Meg said, even Okpaika, that day she did that video where she talked to Edede Zagazaga, that Edede Zagazaga even did video and was saying Atuari should stop praising her, Atuari should stop praising people, that she is aware and she knows that Okpaika, Edede Zagazaga, who key ambassador, was talking to her. Only for Okpaika to not call her that have I taken side, have I ever talked to you since you and Atuari started your issue? And Precious Meg is saying, no, you have not talked to me. That is Precious Meg. I was saying, okay, you were not here. I was saying this, Precious Meg in the way, binana. Oh, they don't go or Koyame. And was it Lolo Joyce that said it? Lolo Joyce, remember now? Joyce Jojo Love. Sorry, Jareni, you were mistaken when you. In a way, Precious Meg get galant. Oh, they don't bear they don't go we Koyame. You gonna do like say no. I said they supported do a be Precious Meg go wa yin ya hwiwo ma. Who supported Precious Meg go leave you for junction. Precious Meg they come tomorrow come put knee for Atuari say Atuari la o ave saga instigator no o he made the boni okpada wa be learn saga instigator mari fu vi unwe Atuari la o meta you go see am we go regret oh my obvious sakpa wa kin the same ogboma ye say wa vakin is amawi sag yokpa le wa kin. I'm sorry to my responsible Asian people here. Me wata you know, I did be Henogi Okoyame. He made a demeric being or soon. Precious Meg, they ask, Okpaika, they ask her, say, me take side. I don't ever, instead, when she goes, say what you talk, because she said it in the video she did on Thursday or Wednesday. That Okpaika was saying, I think AB Paris shared that video. It was saying, Atuari, stop praising. Why praising ya? Even Precious Meg said that she knows that Okpaika was talking to her. Only for Okpaika to not be asking Precious Meg now, have I ever talked to you since you and Atuari started the issue? Precious Meg is saying no. You could not even stand your ground. That is Precious Meg. So unstable. I'm not going anywhere now. Get it away. Very unstable. That is who she is.
No, this one now, if I was to make the open page for another saga. If I were not to give in another home.
Okay, no, I try.
No, if you like me, come the fight to you, one fight to. Not saying I mean 1 point so too.
No, I'm not trying.
Because any of all kind of one, when not go. Any of them, the man say judge. You must work. Why they call you now? Say you know say when people go, if people they talk, I'll say no. Let me talk Precious Meg first because whether now you send a look or now you send him out there.
No. Isha, God, no, just make it call it so too. Now what?
Even somebody even wrote on Okpaika's wall. Somebody even while Precious Meg was talking, somebody said, now today I just see this Precious Meg finish. Oh, now so you be, you see? Because she can't even stand on her word. That's one of the most useless person you can ever take a battle up, Precious Meg. Because tomorrow she will come out and say, not say Meg, you do this. So Precious Meg that came out 2020, she cried to me and said, oh, look at what Atuari did to her. Atuari spoiled her business. Atuari said she cooked with feces and pee and whatsoever, did a lot of damages to her cooking business, right? After Atuari went to her indoors to say, oh, Gallant that she's sorry, oh. What did Precious Meg do? Precious Meg came out and was saying, even Melissa can't tell me, make I fight for you. Me marry for me, Precious Meg, they God forbid. When immediately Atuari just said she saw, she came out, all the people that supported that, Nelly Black Diamond, Jasper, the other girl, Money Go Danger, all that when they ya here, one that girl, yeah, boy, ya bien ya. Just once we are the one fighting for her the time she was accused of cooking with Isa Kekevayo. Any na Kekevayo. Any na gbina. And then Atuari yata mewe sorry from the other side. Oh, now overnight, and people were like, oh my God, me, I already knew who she was, so I was not bothered. Then, the few time I was indoors doing what I was doing. I was off social media, so to say. She came out and she was like, even Melissa come meet me, make I fight for her. Oh, come here, we're then in a fight, you know. That is who she is. She will make you will think she's a good person. When the issue is starting, she will be on your side. Before you will know, she will twist. She said she get 100 faces, and that one we they fight for. Now every precious make it we beje. Are empty barre ni rewe bodo years after bro. We may even no drive be 5,000 yave kokono ya do ke bebe there. E ma ke na be pay strafe ba hia me bebe webo. Egbe wi na mi. Now, we are precious men, they are not even different. That is why one of the presenter was telling him earlier in the day that this settlement you are doing, I hope you are not going to turn on Precious Meg tomorrow, because if you do, she is going to drag you. That is who Precious Meg is. I'm giving people within now 2 months. Precious Meg will come out on her knees and be begging her to hurry. Make that Precious Meg igbe. No, it's Okpaika's life. I watched it on Okpaika's life. Ewi is coming to drag Precious Meg tomorrow, because now, I'm not sure Precious Meg is aware that Okpaika was recording now online. She could not stand that ground. Ewi, they fight for you. Ewi wako saga, they saga Okpaika because of you. You they go, you did there, they talk another thing. Weytin make a Richard one saga Okpaika. Not be because he say Okpaika they sudo weregbe, which everybody see. Then Okpaika is now asking you, are they really solo you? You say no. And somebody they fight you because he see and say that they solo you. You where they fight for now, the person where they solo you, they ask you, are they solo you? You they say no. How do you want that person who is trying to take side? How do you want that person to feel? That is who Precious Meg is. I area wasi me na me man no empty drum no wahini area waje. You leave her. You deal with Precious Meg at arm's length. You put her at arm's length and deal with her. That is who she is. Dealing with her, not in a, but if you, however you want to deal with her, especially like in personal relationship kind of dealings, you put her at arm's length. Day your day, I day my day. And not because of a bag of rice, not being she switched so. Up until October, September 2023, was she not shouting? She's a puppy. She's actually puppy. A very wonderful puppy. She likes to eat Isa. She likes to eat Negima. He was not know while she was singing. All of the sudden, they go dekmize. Where Ewi is my brother. No matter what you not to. Ewi they fight for you because Okpaika they solo you. Okpaika solo Precious Meg Iregbe. Ewi not do na which Precious Meg younger sister saw. In the process of relating all what has been happening to Ewi Richard, Okpaika's issue came up. Because the sister has also been seeing what Okpaika has been doing to Precious Meg. Only for Okpaika to now ask Precious Meg, the person they are fighting for. Precious Meg is saying, no, you know they solo me for body. No, you have never. Precious Meg, you are a useless child. You have to go back to Poppy. You have to go back there. That's where you belong. Precious Meg, come out and kneel down. That's where you belong. So that you can go and finish your mission. Okpaika is asking you, have I done anything to you? Just 3, 4, 5 days ago, you came out acknowledging that Okpaika was poking you. Now the same Okpaika is asking you, has she ever poked you since you started your issue with Atuari? And you are saying no. That is the reason why I know Ewi is trying to fight for you. No more beg. Ewi re.
So please stop me. I will send her to you. Well,
okay, now you hear what she's saying. Precious Meg is saying maybe a younger sister talked to you, or the reason why a younger sister talked to you that way was how you came out that day. Because we also have Precious Meg responded to Okpaika that day. We also how angry Precious Meg was on that day. We also how vexed she was while she was replying to Okpaika that day. So that was what also got the sister angry. So why did you not just say it previously to say, look at what you did that day? Yeah, you poked me. Maybe now, no. Maybe in 2-3 days ago now, no. But like Monday to Thursday or Monday to Wednesday, yeah, you did actually poke me. Precious Meg said, no, you have never ever poked me. If Okpaika has not poked you, why is your sister angry? Why is your sister mad at Okpaika? Why is your sister talking rudely at Okpaika if Okpaika has not poked you? Who bear any useless here? A first daughter, again now why ya bio, rage, what era no mind big Precious Meg. Iwege no ya bekia usual, oh ya mugbo, deto ya mugbo bowa, giwa, dewe bonu do big agia, o big agia le France, big agia Italy, Spain, Czech, Slovakia, Slovenia, Denmark, Norway, Finland. Europe ya France. Na me UK Jenny nu ya seto jina agboma ye mewe muwe agboma ye mawo ma ye miok ya pa no muwe yo wa. This is my wife. Yeah, you are wa me bive na velele bi wa me sive na velele si u ma meti emudi agwe rather u ga tori wa he settle with ave mani ma tegu egbe na u do your money there. Just like she did. Melissa, come meet me. Make me fight for her. I went or one video in me, I would laugh. Did I even know you? I knew who you were, but I never ever entered your inbox because you are not worth it. You are the lowest of it all. When no man now operating Facebook here, you are the lowest of it all. And we're not born in Facebook, man lying boss here. I mean, we no mama, not even a giddy. Somebody is accusing you of what she did to you, and that is the reason who is fighting for you. You are just denouncing it that she has never ever poked you. If Okpaika has never ever poked you since you started your issue with her, why is your sister mad? Why is Ewi trying to fight for you? In that contest, idiot, no mama.
We're not the year. We put on my picking on your go Peter. What if I don't talk to you,
sir? Oh, Joyce Jojo Love, were you on my live stream this morning when I was playing the video of a week Otion Precious Meg? Uga live streaming me. Viata mawe. Duga reba. Viata. In a way, Precious Meg ye de dogbe, no giro, de dogbe wo koya me. Precious Meg go on a diba to. That's the least person you want to even try that with, because she's going to throw you under the bus. She's under the bus. She's going to make you look useless. She's going to make you look like you don't even know what you're doing anymore. And that is what she does. Say 24 hours in Iwata. Also because I know Precious Meg. I know her. I said when I try to read death with her, she almost committed suicide. I'm not joking. I'm not capping. When the baby make her. No, Mom, I'm not capping. This is true. She told me personally. She sends me pictures personally. I played some of the audios there. I didn't finish. I still have some in my Google archive. What she did, she was crying as she almost hurt herself, as she almost transited to the other side of the world. Then after Atuari just went to her inbox, Abioy before Abioy sent the message. This girl came out. All the people who fought for her, not me, the time they were dragging her for cooking with excreta for them. Abe fake account ya no binale. Ona when ona gele yebo vie ya. Just because Atuari told her And after then, that was how she came out. She's a puppy. She will do the, even when Ukinebo went to comment on a Lolo's page, well, honor Ukinebo, it was Precious May video that I saw that made me start video again July last year, because I was on Facebook for about 16 months. When I saw Precious May's video, although sometimes I come on live video on Facebook to see what's happening, then I log out again. When I saw that video, wait, what? Oh, what about Kinebo? Precious May give a Guguan Rihanna. For what? For what? The same thing she beat to Kinebo for. When they now did it to her now, Richard and actually they had it. She now went to comment on Enoge's platform. About it tomorrow. The same thing she accused Kinebo of doing was what she now did. When they now came for her now, she started crying. But this was what you accused somebody of. A video no you made the like Facebook. If not, maybe tell you Ewe is fighting for you. He's out there fighting for you, hitting Okpaika so hard because you told that, or he saw, which we also, and you also acknowledge it in that video, that annoying video you did 4 or 5 days ago to Okpaika. The work man okay pokiwe. I'll play that video again now. Then Okpaika is asking you now, has she ever poked you? Has she ever talked to you? Has she ever crossed your lane since you started having issues with Atuari? And you are saying no. What do you expect? How do you expect a week to feel if he sees this video tomorrow? Precious Meg will throw you under the bus. No matter who you are, do not for one day defend this girl. Precious Meg, she's the most dicey human being. Very dangerous. Don't even try it. I have a fear. Even again, I committed in Norway. Evil way she commit for Norway. Or see an agbomana ye man. Evil way she commit. If Precious Meg really get 17 flats for Benin, if Precious Meg buy a house for Germany, I tell woman who say when you go loud, but no. If you wow, Euzanori do the Spain, no do the Norway, Ebony Mugbe, Norway, we Finland again. Yeah, we are getting a fit. But you and Richard now, you are in good terms. As Okpaika, they accuse you. No, you did. That was why you came out for her the other day, which you said in your video. Now, you are saying Okpaika is not poking you. You said Okpaika has never poked you. So Ewe is just fighting your battle for nothing. Ewe is just talking to Okpaika for nothing. Without Ewe is not trying to defend you. That's what you are saying. We don't defend you. You are trying to tell Richard Osajaye that he should not defend you. Okpaika has not done anything to you. That is what you are doing in this video. That is what you just said. This is the implication. Okay, Precious Meg. Very day. You tell now we're on dread face. Or not where in get on dread faces. Una don't see her the man. Una see the way she dey operate. Why Precious Meg is your bestie? Why why so ye mana suwane? Why at the pesticide yowa? You see? Now, after Okpaika had asked her, have I poked you? She said no. Now she is saying, Okpaika, when the two of them talked indoors, I think after that video she did the other day, that she told Okpaika, you can't just insult me like that. Many Okpaika insulted you, which led to Richard's reaction, which also led to your sister's reaction in a statement. But now, before you came to this particular minutes now, Okpaika asked you, have I ever poked you? You said no, which can be used against you in the court of law. Because what maybe na yan sign, o se wanibu, wa ze benzami the way bona wa ife. Because what maybe most of una, especially when in the English country, in when we are test of English. Because Eke was while it was in the economy, meanwhile it was in the Abuja Theta. You acknowledge, you say, or you told Okpaika, you cannot just insult me like that. Meaning, Okpaika insulted you. Why did you not just confirm it? Yes, you have poked me. Yes, you have got me angry. Now you said no, Okpaika has not done it. So, that is what you just mean now. That is what you meant by that word. Choose a business in it because no difference, no say. 2 minutes of the baby. Say 30 seconds of the baby. That's the who Precious Meg is. So if Richard sees this video now, how do you expect him to feel? Oh man, Okpaika when you Okpaika Okpaika is only yeketi when Okpaika may go and the mighty bono. So we go again. I want money some beer. I want who want no money some beer no with live video. Why giage no ho you emuria no laluwo no ge beer kanele social media here. Agboma mawa why make it stand the grand wa. Na money some beer you gang beru na. Money some beer. Who do make him? Who we wage when ya behavior. O man no who do ye no voka wa swa u yo swa u rebe na. When Precious May, again, Precious May, guys, September, natural, I they feed your parents. I they do this. Now, me, they feed your parents. I've sent 20,000 to your parents. Instead of Precious May to come and not back Bukhwe Minnesota, not your not TJ, not Tierra, not for her to come out and say, she actually has never ever. What did she do? She came out and said, actually feed her parents, actually not her friend. Oh, see them any man at Pavoto. Then only for you to that come out 5-6 months after you work your other return, you go, oh, actually feed the rabbi jouet. No, yes, they send the 20,000 gera bijuato in your baunia and Ijewa, no, efo. Actually once fed your parent because when you had opportunity to debunk that thing and debunk it, when you came out, you brought your useless father out to come and defend. Because I will say your father is useless. I don't usually say this. And I'm not going to agree to come and talk to people on live video where not you say they send on money or no. Man, be idiots. Because I really my father, you can't lift him with one hand. You can call him with one because all the other winner or bowa. If you case so there's nothing you want. So there is nothing you want. And I want travel a country a man of his words. He not give us money. He give us money. Really? Really? Instead of him, one was the bucket in oh man, who land no actually no verse. Now so una le pabwe no rostra. Na drink or go you drink that day. You had to accept it way to one or ya waited to ya defending ya. At the end of the day, you went to your knees begging actually. Canada call me, America call me, Slovakia call me, Australia call me. Area where they work in Agbareva. Okay, Joyce, we're on that live stream. You know I said it now.
You not there your Precious Meg. Even Rosie, why tell you? They your you don't want they your me tell you, they your now you want they your okay, after
no drop saga bag of Okpaika. Drop a saga baggy where Wahala you do always saga. Drop a saga bag, useless woman. And they do uki. Drop a saga, carry that saga bag. Page me not by video si where ya be there. Where you may talk me lay, I know they like all these pretense or lies. Where can you make your body, make them your bonona, or where barres when win on it. Maybe yare, anytime yare. Anytime yare. A video si when no neck mariade. Are you just in a new woman? Swap me up because yare ya be page ni. Ya be the page in as they get monetize a gegi.
Say, okay, he tell you go carry the one when you talk, yeah, Alicia.
That was a different situation. Precious May came mad categorically like she was there. She never said, somebody told me and I'm saying it. No. She said she was in their wedding. She said they did this, they did that. They were staying with Nene the Uyi. Was it Uyi that later passed on? Precious May said it like she was there. The one German lady said, oh, say we're in London, the UK. What are we feed this way? African German lady did not say, April on your feed where or say when or UK win your feed. That is to say, it was a reported speech. She was reporting what Atuari had said in the previously. But Precious May said that on like she was there when everything she was saying that day happened. So it's a two different cases. Okay. You know, I know you're an illiterate, but it's a two different case. Two different cases, I mean, sorry guys.
Everybody they stand. Everybody's supposed to know.
The younger, this Garampi character irritates me. I'm telling you, so irritating, eh? The younger sister confirmed on the Noge platform that she's not in good terms with her because she's puppy to Kobete. Yes, now she came out that time to say she's a puppy. Just 6 months ago now. Was that not when she came out to say, tell me whose sister, whose responsible sister would not be angry at such? We're not be actually, who don't when you know when you are a puppy, even if you are the best supporter. Who does that? Then today now, you are doing the same thing again. Someone Okpaika is telling you, have I ever poked you? You are saying no. Whatever we get after them, Okpaika has already won you in that aspect because what she wanted to get from it, she was able to extract it. Una to woman poke with there. So every and we get babuzuno. Pray Richard that go give ya deba we gbinara well. Oh wow, kwake can because you are a betrayer. You can never be trusted with anything, if not even with friendship. You can never be trusted. Okpaika nuwe gwade tu Okpaika de ba atuare o ya we ya me la jare dere oni I guess they come from what anywhere na so no I dey hungry o mapa anywhere kesa why dey hungry una ye gbe almost 45 minutes in a video we wa my last boy I got a video we na my last boy we are not be no day my last boy now mom I'm hungry otherwise life mom I'm hungry. I turned off my live video because my family is more precious than anything. I can come out again have women now with Yane. Oh, okay, mom I'm hungry. I turned off my live video. Make it even be 2,000 views already. I will turn it off and go and give my baby food. Because my last work when I go yarowa, na me will come me season yari bayo. If we work by car friend we dey all now with video. If we na so engineer, if we da work school. You will know say you want to do video. Your children will suko. Maybe as they say they angry, you just gotta give the or your point to your first son. Say, but mona soon na food here. Una to tie rally to a different day boy against Okpaika and Udemi Okpaika way. This same Okpaika now is now asking you, has she ever poked you? You are saying no. Then tomorrow, no give him away that day you have to be no.
Where they inherit enemy or where you inherit enemy now? What understanding now?
Okay, you see, did you people hear what Okpaika said? Okpaika said, and Richard is not even aware that the two of them have settled, and he still wants to inherit the enmity between the two of them. This girl has settled with Okpaika or Precious. Wow, this snake attitude, a character, yeah. The character, no, the character, te wa gbon Menu Dweki said, Okpaika, Menu Wawe, Omones and Beer. Your Okpaika is supposed to be your auntie on social media. Okpaika Mameti Tamaware with Von Muyu Nagidwe. She had to wait for you people to quarrel. Okay, do ya giveaway. This side you waje over no go away friendship. Or say your wife, I just see this person na Esa. You want to make friendship with the girl. Ya muye kene. I'm not intentional. I'm sorry to say, but majority of them have proven it. So already 10% already good one. Igualo wasilego do. Because why man ya go was say, especially Huoniro. If be aniro ye beg is Esa Huoniro. I see Kenyano. Friendship from afar. Hello. I'm walk by the same with her. Okay, come, my sister. Everyone, I cannot say we vote where Precious make they put for her. Omadi tea one day where until here we vote Nagima. We vote Ave we vote na to arifie niya your boy asile na we vote niya your boy asile. Have really good hair. Go Instagram and see good registered vendors. When we told you, people would ask you, where did you get this hair from? Ebora no one am meto. Oh, he got keka. Because we're not winner. Okpaika had to wait for the two of you to have issue. Okay, do I yet to muyu giyewe? And they say, una tomorrow na say, Amales and beer or Otwe had to wait for you, the two of you, to have a serious disagreement. For her to come and mock you that you have the hair you have on your head, Emma, Emina, I met in here, when we with mommy no celebrate. Now you settled with you have settled with Okpaika indoor. You did not tell Ewi. You did not tell Ewi to say Ewi wabe uki zagazaga was settled now. You didn't do that. Only for Okpaika now to not tell us on social media. To not tell Ewi on social media. Maybe if you are called Ewi to say Okpaika settled now, maybe he would have not said what he said today. Wish we not back aga we oga ahe iwanilele we oga ahe yan ba o.
So me, I'm not a quick come to, alright, I have to investigate. Because if me start to the saga, I go say, Mama, you not call me. Let me take one for live video. Because that day, when I first do video, when I quarrel with her for live video, when I hear me now, I told the quarrel, he can't call me. As he call me, he can't tell me, say, Mama, put her for speaker. Already, I don't come up for live video. As I come up for live video, he can't say, Mama, what did you do me when I did it? And I say, why you go share video where therefore they insult me? So he now explain, say,
So you guys hear what Okpaika said now. After Precious Mega had done that video that day, a video ni vie na ata wijinya wana gbiyan no mala pagbere video ni. Ni mena ikwe ata mema we ya comment ye ke go we no ya pagbere ye ai ni vie. If o say obi me do tami me alagbode no si me alagbode do tama me we o wana gbiyan. If you either their live video or maybe 5 million people they watch, I'll turn it off and go and answer them. Especially when I know say na picky eater. Now she say after Precious Meg had done that video, no man after anymore. Precious Meg went behind to call Okpaika. Precious Meg went behind to call Okpaika. Meanwhile, Ewi was already angry where Okpaika go Precious Meg igwa. Precious Meg na liye ke ya ti Okpaika. Ona de gbe a explain egbe. No we explain a live video ma say. Precious Meg, she's not a woman of her words. She can't take bullying at what anything. After one blog drove your Okpaika, one zagazugu never there only. Ona the day the Thursday be Wednesday gano. Ona liyeke. They be ya Okpaika. Ona they be ya explain egbe. And no matter one day o. Oma raise the update. Hello, I follow her. She has settled with Okpaika. No, she never did that. Meanwhile, Okpaika don already come up for live video that day. Now who Precious Meg be that? One igwe Precious Meg where paddy friend. Or they know where the sue almost to sue why you know.
He not see the picture. I take it like that. Okay? Hello. Wait, now make I finish. May I finish? Well, I hear me so. You dey hear me so? So, he can't call me. When he call me, he don't know say I know the live video. He can say, put am for speaker. I can't leave that to listen what he want talk, everything. When he talk, now I say, why you will go do that thing? He can't beg me, say if the thing vex me, make I know vex. You know, nobody like me, I'm too soft. Nobody will go beg me such way another year. As he beg me now, I say, okay, you yourself, if I still talk to you, calm down, okay? Now your mama, now he insult you. If you want the talk to tears, now say, okay, you don't do, yeah? You dey hear me like the king. I cannot do right.
I say, who see Precious Meg no, you go know say leg they pain that person. Okpaika say he call her inside, they be when even they cry. After Precious Meg don't do egbe weja for herself. Ona liyeke Richard Dago yati Okpaika. Omare tie we ye Okpaika settle ne onye tie ye explain my or maybe Oma can understand or something. Ona liyeke yati Okpaika. Omare tame we la Johnny do agbina ne. Presenter patama we no. We dem wan saga Precious Meg we wetin ya agbegbera wa vedere. O fa say we na. O mere rie caution we. Precious Meg wa gwa we padi na. O de je do gbu era hwe. Precious Meg e kan gbo iye o pretty we na enye. O gwa ze po wa ton ni very na. We ga imagine wiji. E yo go we mu dia ba gbon ma ni okun.
Ọmọ àrò jíjẹ ọwọ àwọn iye ube unabegbe uyo ọbọnú ya gbe ube ya seke gbe were rẹ you dey hear me na e no ke kon eritna e no get don rege I don't rege because you go out for the church me dan wa ga ni ju wa no ya le lo kian be no wa le lo we kian iye me mutiame iye me ya ye la la me iye me yo gun la me iye me yo povie iye me jo no na me iye me yo na me. What's the video? My daughter. Hello. Huh? Erivo. Hey, on it. Hey, I know say you love me. Yeah. precious milk where I never do for. Me I keep it. Me I when me I be precious milk do me social media one. Me I forgive her. If when no me on no do agwan na, you want to no kwa me nani. You understand? Okay. Be one day wa mo. E me be precious milk e boriru. Ayo la ki abi obi o no ge li me bi o mi me no mo zofia ni wa kin. Abi I got a sugar back and Maggie. Anna Glemia and I wear Yakina don't let you do it. Well, I like a zigby. I said before, all you do is a loqua. I think you understand. Okay. Even EJ machine. Recording me a book looking well. Now they talk now.
Play the audio. If you have any audio, play it. In my build a page. Somebody like me, play any audio you have. So any audio where you get player.
They understand they be make way now. Make way me now. Now so. Now so. You know whether you go let finish? You know whether you don't let finish? Leave that thing. Okay. I pray me learn. Okay. Amen. Obu. So my people, on a year now, me I not be I did like that. When you do heritage, enemy or proper, because for me and Yaki we settle. You know me say if I see Yaki with person they quarrel, I'll come say Yaki. No, now you get your mouth now. Look, now use body rock ground because like anyway, you know where you be seen no trouble. E can man ati wo ulaw. Monica mati we no do gbe na no na lawe. Second way, can wani ulawe. All precious make na maka we can ulawe. Any min or way, uye yigbe, uye go potopoto.
Well, again, Rita that na agri. We mate be gbegbe lawe no Okpaika. The Rita na kamawe dede. They do ki una damwe like sagana yawe funi potopoto. Oh na le line. Uko were useless in webo. Wa bugwemi umiamia wa gwemi umiamia. And every time actually na gwemi de we mate onu we you lawo ina tamawe if you enter in go wipe you or ramo cord for your neck. Oh na le line banire.
They quarrel on my because he reckon wanaka we simili. Na me o with Yaki na no. Alright? Okay. Why we simili for that? I huwa when I quit it. When my baby Monica Yakuwa, get out from here. Leave my crap when my baby no. I huwa when I quit it, but do Abaluwa. Why the way na me when I walk on sack. Na me, ije Monica, or I don't suffer. Iyo moiki enoki, abi mota. Maybe a king in a Catholic, Nana heritage, Mana Benalilo. Maggie Dway. Monica love me, I love Monica. Okay, Noki, I'm not going to come because of you. Come fight Monica. Or that's why I call Precious make I confirm for live video so that everybody can hear it. So that everybody will hear. Say, Okpaika call Precious Man say, not be inside Enoki. Say, Enoki want to insult me by himself. Alright? Or how another you to tell you, why not be me sent. Where you give.
Here you see. Instead of her to just sit on the fence, you know, not to throw Richard Denogie under the bus entirely. What did she do? Well, your girl. You can't go in there. You can't go in there. A precious Maggie well. So anything they not get you is on his own. They not get is on his own risky, you know.
You know, sister, not beast is so maybe you had the one saga me, made it for settle. You had the you see me, I never thought of you name. You had the but then social media, I had to carry now. You have the okay, my people, make I go prepare. Yes, so we must love Mommy Monica. When you have to work again, we will drag the Monica. Yeah, Monica, Monica. You need to wear a lot of make. Why they beat Lolo today, even to tomorrow? Insult my children. He said, don't suck my picking blood. That blood, I want me not come off from his stomach. Not a hear me. Loleka, the blood where he say suck. I want make sure say I choke. He go vomit. He vomit. But the OP where this I won't remove her. You know that OP. You have so one OP me. If you have every year you go again. Anyway, no go or go away. Anyway, where you go or your America yank bay or your Nigerian yank bay or your who yank bay. I don't milk. I'm your can America by boy. When I hear me, okay. When I when the cutty video say, you know they give him Mama Big to stop it. Title and well, all right. One of the title well because I'm not saying anybody not carry my video no. It's what's doing and they make me popular. But title and well. Not the say small. You be as any. You give Mommy Big to the grace. Ne your mona it was a bill like garage. I beg you. See, my pass is my master did my pass. He did your map when I'm ready rent. He brought the same thing. He brought the water for a map. Or ever, I am equation. A precious me, or very precious me girls. By your barrier. Monica, well, I got. Well, by vanity. They are me, Ije no gay na dase no mujane mo ya wa. We je no pa wo dore ya mu direct. Ije no ma ma bu wa inyo ma bu wa. Kaka je oje. We ma bu wa inyo we ma bu. Wale, ise wele kie no jani ne gbe. Richard Dago, o jani, we ma bu wa ke we ma be bu wa. When we will feel more to, we do also be live video. When reason, I mean, one pin property water, in you were the same thing already. Up a sound, not to be reviewing you. Not every, and I'm flat, Brugudu, and I'm on you. Go away, but only when I move where I will be looking where go. I may we me. You know, no Zako no me, where we pray and I'm here. Where so look. Yes, if he can insult in Godmother, who be me? What I mean, man? Oh, that is big, no way, Godmother. He may not be bed in it, or they push weekend, or I you can't give away, they're not of you yet. I mean, we me. Now, me no go insult when you say, I'm not the one error. Well, I don't say not the one error. If
now that you call the talk. I don't know is then be and be the way it and I don't know insult a be and be to go akpo bone. To go away do away. To work with video ya go be and big one. They also only one bizu buwaya. Now you can't enter say maybe useless woman.
Can insult when we say if you can insult the muffin when be good father.
But you supported him then now.
Look at those parents yes he go sick. Baby, ni ya pack one eh. No one remain. No industry. Oh, one now. No. No, don't you wear, no, get on wear, no, get on and wear, baby. Like that pin when you go, you have, don't lie, or you have a reason. Who may make a wide web, where is it? Every move from Italy to Germany, where it is. When one in when wherever I rented. Where we survive rented, of your comfort zone. Huh? Yeah, obvious survive rent, no very comfort zone. They are well peso in your procedure, Guavesa, Uwana Brusiana, or Modion Yawane, Nino, the boo, and your share where are you? Oh, where are any polo? Eh? And look, you come on, only your map on safe. Eh? It's a question. Only your map. And look, women not go to work. Not only your map on safe. Because my, we're not here. No, the guess is our brother. I'm not sure say it. Now make. No, I may be left to do a rubio. And not say way. Not say tree. And look. Oh, one who was born in Monica so say you. Yet you're me not. Yet cannot so say we are me going a window key. On my second window would like ya. No, take back on buying the life with you. And look, one second where a mulati, a message, everywhere on where. Ninja Yakinadati, in a go so carry has come in our one away praising and praises are worshiping. And look, you know why I wasn't where a muto that barre. Oh, one where you're taking our one in Nigeria. Oh, one where move back, uba keke. Oh, boy, Oba, Sadoya. And look, you know, yeah, I'm a buy some. Oh, yeah. Don't they call me? Oh, yeah. Horrible. Who are near me? Who are near me? Well, I'm maybe no way. Hello. Hey, mom. Eh? Zobo. You were Zobo. Oh, I'm phone with Zobo. I'm not talking with me. Me ma where you be yo. I you no I be me. No, every time me not you way. Me not live with you. Not going where you walk here. But don't understand. Remember what me. Maybe explain the mark on our live video. And then we're calling me live video. May you live video? May I need it for? And because I need it for now, because what time I movie live video? I mean, I need it. Maybe I'm here for what I call it. And then, well, yeah. Menyafu. When memory speak and I buy a menyafu. Only one problem, maybe explain the mark, but the people are set to you. So, Precious Maggie. One not to aqua, me worry, never. Okay, no, you're the video. Okay, no, you're the video. Okay.
Good evening, Royal Majesty Classic Kingdom. How are you now? What's up? It's been a while. How are you doing? How's the family?
My people, if you no get no beat me, I will be calling me every day. A no game must beat me. A no game must beat me. A no game. When one I go every day, I have to wait. Wait up with me. Where it be me? Come and beat me.
You're doing it okay. That's nice.
You go, don't be me. Oh, yeah, not letting you so poor. Oh, yeah, you know, get it.
Okay, that's great. It's Okpaika and Richard Daru. Ewi. So Ewi did a video earlier in the day where Precious Meg, younger sister, called him, not on live video, but he played the audio, on his live stream. So I in that process, Precious Meg, younger sister, was so angry with Okpaika, and she was saying some things about Okpaika, So Okpaika entered her live stream and she called Precious Meg to say, I'm not sure Precious Meg was aware that Okpaika was live streaming. So Okpaika was asking, have I ever poked you since you started having issues with Atuari? Have I ever poked you? Have I ever done this? And just 4 or 5 days ago, Precious Meg did a video accusing Okpaika of trying to bully her or using some harsh words on her because she was down the side of Ewi Richard Daru. So while Okpaika was on this live stream, she asked Precious Meg, have I ever poked you? And Precious Meg said no. And that is the reason, that has been the reason Ewi has been insulting Ededuuki Okpaika. Just because he felt Okpaika was trying to take side with Atuari to bully Precious Meg. So instead of Precious Meg to just say yes, but you've been poking her, but they've resolved it indoors. Precious Meg just threw Ewi under the bus. Even though after that, she also said, you insulted me, you did that, the way you did the video that made me angry. You saw how mad that she was when she came out on her own live video and all of that. But that didn't hold no water again, because where Okpaika asked her, have I ever poked you? Have I ever crossed your path since you started having issues with Atuari? And Precious Meg said no. With that, Okpaika already won the argument. Okpaika already won the case if it was in a law court. Because Otanoka no way. Yes, you have been poking me, but it has been settled. Now, so she now gave Okpaika the relief that, whatever Enoge is doing, whatever Richard Ewi is doing to you, I'm not a party to it. No, she should have not said that. She should have sat on the fence to say, okay, he's actually doing that to you because of me. Just let him go, forgive him, take your eyes off it. No. Now she has distanced herself from what Enoge is doing to Okpaika. And Richard Ewi is actually doing that to Okpaika because of her. That was the same thing she did in 2020. I can never forget. She came to my inbox. She was crying, Melissa. Oh, Melissa, if you see what Atuari did to her, Atuari spoiled her business and all of that. Boom. Atuari went apologizing to her indoors. And when Precious May came out, I didn't feel kakanti ya no gbinane. Again, ni ana word isan ya lebe ani ya ya lebe ani ya. E Precious May gina gele we ni ya here. Ona ye bob vie ya. Even the black even had to raise an update that time to say Amadio I will strike her. They are still fresh in my memory. Ariya ya no support anywhere. Actually, yeah, wa wu here o isan ye manu o manu wa ya twa wo wa ma ekpena. Yeah, naturally, why wear a sign of handshake die keka. Ona gele ye boy a fake account ni. Okay, it's me yare Facebook. Okay, it's where Melissa came to her to fight. Or where she said, I came to her. I was pleading to her in that way. Let me quote her. Melissa came to me and was saying, Precious Meg, let me fight for you now. Because I big bewitch. I never ever went to her inbox. Never. All in the guys to be in Atuari's good book. She lied. She said she thought she was throwing me under the bus. Hello, I don't even know you. Me with live video and I'll be laughing because I'm like, hello, when did this happen? Precious May said I came to her. I was pleading. Precious May, please let me fight your battle. Let me fight this fight for you. Precious May came to my inbox and was saying some of the things she said. I still did not play that audio. I still did not play that audio just to save her name. Just to save her. Some kind things where she talk, Iji. Again, yeah, and you watch Facebook ina. Where? Wamala come Hey, Jimmy. Have you seen this or not? Now, instead of her to have told Okpaika, yes, you have been poking me or you once poked me, but the issue has been resolved. Do you know Royal Majesty Classic? I'm explaining to you now because we are asking what was happening. Double face, backstabber. Thank you. That is the word, my darling. Gwese, I don't know if you're a man or a woman. Sorry, Gwese, a newer or funny. Do you know the video? I don't know if you saw that video Precious Meg did that day while she was doing that video. If they know Okpaika offend any. Other waiting that was king with that dinner. You might drop ekpona and now live streaming. Nivia na do case kure. The kids were, Mom, come and give me food. Mom, we are hungry. Precious Meg did not get up from there until after about 45-48 minutes. The money case kure. After 45-48 minutes, Precious Meg demanded because of Okpaika way. The same Okpaika now is now asking you, have I offended you? Have I ever put you? You are saying no. And you are this because of you, Ewi is fighting Okpaika. You threw away under the bus, blatantly, outrightly. You are something. I pity the people who have anything to do with you. That's what she did, though. That's what I'm explaining. Do you know, after she did that video, or while she was doing that video, the kids were calling her, Mom, they are hungry. Mom, they are hungry. Precious Meg, I had to start telling people we were commenting on my live stream that because while she was doing her live chat, I was streaming her. But the camera was not on her. I was streaming her in the dark. I had to tell some of the commenters, please go and comment on her page. Tell her to get up from that place and go and give those kids food. A monitor is since 8 or 9 o'clock. Before Okedo Bagbe. My after some like 20 minutes or so, Okedo Bagbe. Now, if you can't swear one about 30 minutes ago, because they know Yamwe or only a response to Okpaika. Do you know after that video, in this Okpaika live stream, Okpaika said Precious Meg called her behind. Precious Meg in Ali at Okpaika Von Samba. When Precious Meg wa u se reje onali yeke degbe ya tie Okpaika oge ti Okpaika no marita mewi o bere ye the same star bayan hin Okpaika. Okpaika is not saying Enogia is not aware that they have settled indoors. He's trying to buy the case. He's trying to interfere in the case. He's trying to make the case his own. Not knowing that Okpaika and Precious Meg, they have settled indoors. After a video, the way the Precious Meg get a video, the Precious Meg, why will Okpaika do this to you? And that was why we decided to fight the battle Richard Dago. Meanwhile, Precious Meg had gone indoors to settle with Okpaika. Not even telling Richard, throwing Richard under the bus when a Jojo Joyce Itaba. That is who a Precious Meg is. Precious Meg. Dangerous girl. The day we person for Norway gist me a story. This girl. That person will tell me, away, Melissa. Ona Precious Meg Ona Muatuari. Or where I will choose Atuari 10 times. I won't even look at Precious Meg. That is how dangerous she is. Wetin concern women matter. Oma me winner. Okpia na winner. Okpia no kwogisi ayo wa no zuo yo zuo regeti ya mige Facebook. Idea mu odokwo do mewe. Okwo do me do gbe kia iwe. Why the man no go dey misbehave? Iya mi go be Facebook. I get €1,000 with Facebook. €1,000 with Facebook. And then you get to beg you 5,000. Abumami Royal Majesty Classic Kingdom. Umami Okpia marriage school. Maybe Omaji win. No guero wa. Every time I know your school. Ambulance. Ambulance is a dosh. Ona ze Canada. Ikaino is a loboa. A dosh on ona zena. Even if of even NAB, which can be correct work you will want to do when you know they speak the German way? It will give you an edge. Now, what are you doing with your time now? Go to language school. Whatever saga. Anytime no yake school, you can still do your saga. Yes. Before, anytime, that is why most saga ni sunu the Facebook in since 2016. Ni mere no ya sunu you know. Because ya kiwi nare ya ke skuri do de imwe yo ilu e Bluetooth me again if you have the airport now we do lose the airport me if yo now the same time me una gbe so ya can da me yan na iwa mo ye like me and few of my people here they wash am okon no 2 people okon no 3 people my fe ko eri wa ya we be ni o see I me saga pa ni me because e hu me na wa ya gbe yo gbere because they said when you allow illiterates to take the lead the literate become helpless. The literate become manipulated. Enough of manipulation and victim playing on our cyberspace. Precious Meg, the number one, bragado. That's why when the other one came out, is it not yesterday? It's family. My guy, when I can't do it back in, why you can't they cry now? You don't forget, Nana. You don't forget. Now we go interfere for women matter. When winner, AJ school or Wahala. Are uyo are agbekia iwe. Omo like gare mu gare oba. Why you know they misbehave? Hey, talk for woman. Oma Okpaika call Okpaika say no ge na winner of your of your na wife na.
Enemy of family, you go come and return. No game resist to my mafia. No family inheritance, so you will use to do so to wear. I bet my people, but I may not get where the West not the one, me king when you know, because a baby no. Anyway, a baby, no young women go when you know you warning. I'm not going to say the king when you have no one. No making a reason or total. Oh, when you uni, I have one job, I have been in a room. Okay, one in another place since 2 years. Well, this year.
Every other like the his mother is coming to Germany on the 3rd of November, a bit 3rd of December. Igbeyo. Why jere Imanilele? Who is the female version of Precious Meg? Precious Meg, the #1 bragado of Edo cyberspace. Yes, na. Na me be mommy, no, na me be this, na me be this, na me be this. Okpaika wa no weni. Iye poki we yes, u poki me ne redere. O si eni na la redere, but ma settle ene. On live video no wata we o. So David ne we go Okpaika no eba. David ne we ke do saga Okpaika ba, den u dawe.
No more that. Say me you speak English. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Jari. Sorry, Mona, not this. Sorry, not this, Jari. Mona, not this for me. I not speak English. You know, so when they do this, they don't need to tell you they speak your language. You go, you carry you away. And they went for a look, you know, to our way. Not they'll say you be a woman, you Chris. It's a man. Grace will be God, you be man. Once too. You know, see, it cannot be your la listen. Where you la listen. Right, la listen, yes, the cookie by on one. Yes, the Guinness by one. I know. We don't talk to I will be moved. You know, I didn't know what we have to put it left. After it's like a boy hearing me. And okay, it's like a boy hearing me. Maybe me one nearly cheap, but no care to the left. My people, they no care now fit for this life. And okay, it's like a no go hearing. Or he may have a hearing.
Every house now, my house is big.
No, not be that one, mommy. Not be that one, Jare. Just that one, you enter my mouth, no verse. And leave me, you know, say, Saga, I really live in one time. If you have any most of my good, Jare, you know, it's a stupid boy, you know, who they insult me. You know, you tell it to you, I just say, oh, why do I hold your home? Or what do I just say toilet? It may go with diabetes in mind. This program now. You won't put Binia Isha now. Not be that one. I say no be Isha. You don't say go the clear say be Isha. You know be Isha now. You know Bini now. You know Bini boy now. Never is just see you no gay son. Go, I'm on be you. You ma aje no ge akode we wa. No ge we won no. Guy, my people. No ge this say get mass. I go dey do you, I go dey laugh. No ge I go dey view you like injection corona. Yeah, I just spit over and I go pass some a sickness from there. I go miss am. Ni I do ariele or I go be do Okpaika. Just Africa cure diabetes because or you tell the joke or you because you know or say about a toilet in the no give you a jira or horror. Woman I wipe the no sanitizer on our you see Anna. So we can do cure malatian. From that one I'll come enter stomach. From that one I'll come enter let me cure sickness so that it can get sense to reason what to do in Africa and what to do in Germany. Yeah. Hello. Weytin. Bye-bye. I don't get the cross me in the way. Bye-bye. I love you guys.
Okay, guys, thank you. We use hand cream for that. We use hand cream for that. Your tico hands. And the dog Okpaika use lubricant for your teeth. Oh my God. Okay, guys, thank you. I'll be back later. I'll be back right soon. Let me do 1 or 2 things. Okay, thank you.